Yeah, and you mentioned a mentor program at one point too. What did that look like?
So some of our behind the scene team members were teachers. And they're like, I work with kids all day long. I am not coming in and working with kids anymore. And so I would ask them what is some of the mentors program that we could put together. And you don't have to do anything. We'll gather some other volunteers. And so one of the things we put together was a GED program, an SAT program, things like that. Some of the students that wanted to go to college but didn't know how, we asked them, could you provide us some research, some things that other youth volunteers who wanted to be a part of the mentoring program could come in on Saturdays, and that would be the purpose of some of our Saturday things. So just as we had chefs coming in and teaching about cooking, we also had people who said, kids need to learn how to change the oil. A lot of these kids are turning 18, they have a car, and they never change the oil. And so we had a gentleman from the church who would come in and say, I want to mentor kids how to change oil and take care of their cars. That was important to him. So we had the main mentors, the main people who were committed to this program, but they were also able to connect with the sub network of people in the church to try to teach or to implement some things.
I love that because it sounds like, there are a lot of you're giving us a treasure trove of different ideas of activities and things like that, but underneath all of that is also these really important life skills that the youth might not get elsewhere that you're implementing for them. It sounds like the church was really embracing walking with people through their entire lives, right? Like our whole lives, like just being with people in that way, which is really special. Yeah.